Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to redeem Western Union points. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in westernunion.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Western Union if you of course haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the middle of the screen here, you can go, as you can see, and send money online. In the top right corner, we have the logout option, the language changer, and here you can go and check out the history, settings, your receivers, etc., etc. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and redeem Western Union points. So online, you can go to the Western Union website and log into your account. Click on My Western Union Rewards for the menu. Click on Redeem Rewards. Select the reward you want to redeem and confirm. In the app, install the Western Union app on your smartphone. Of course, open the app and log into your credentials. Tap on My Western Union from menu, tap Redeem Points, and select the reward you want to redeem. By text, send text to 88232 with your My Western Union number and one of the following keywords: balance to check your points, 2 USD for a 2 USD discount, 4 USD for a 4 USD discount, 8 for 8 12 USD for 12 USD discount. You will receive a confirmation text with your discount applied for next qualifying transfer. And over the phone, you can call the customer care at 1-800-325-6000. Follow the prompts to redeem your points. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.